Okay, for this question, we must first to differentiate the function. So to differentiate it, I first need to write the index form, and then I can use the chain rule. And then I'll simplify it. Then I need to find the equation of the tangent and normal at the point where x equals -2. To find the equation of the tangent, we will need a point in x, y terms, and a gradient at that point. We call that the gradient m and the tangent t. This particular function is our gradient function. It tells us the gradient at any point that we like. Particularly we're interested in the point where x equals -2. So let's start by finding the value of the derivative evaluated at the point where x is -2. So I use my gradient function, and wherever I see an x, I now evaluate that at the point -2. What I have here is the square root of 6 minus -10 is 6 plus 10, which is 16, minus 5 divided by 2 times 4, which is 8. This is the gradient of the tangent at the point where x equals -2. I have the x coordinate of my point. I still need to find y. So to find y, I use my original function, square root of x, 6 minus 5x. I evaluate that at x equals -2. Then I'll find that I get the square root of 6 minus 5 times -2. 6 minus -10. 6 plus 10 is 16, is 4. So my entire point is the point -2, 4. What I can do now is my point and my gradient. Just check what that was again. -5/8. Then I use the point gradient formula, and it looks like this. So you can see to use this I need my point, x1, y1, and the gradient. Now it's just a matter of substituting in the values that we've found here into our equation. Always be careful of your negative signs. X was -2, so I had x minus -2. Simplify. I have to expand this side. One last simplification. ran out of room there. And here is the equation of the tangent. I still need to find the equation of the normal. I use the same point, but our gradient will be slightly different. The gradient of our normal is the negative reciprocal of the gradient of our tangent. So it's just like making it negative, changing signs, and flipping it upside down. So the gradient of our tangent was minus 5/8. So we change the sign and flip it upside down. Again, we use the point gradient formula. Substituting my 0.4. Again, watch the negative. And I'll leave it there. This is the equation of our normal.